Hello guys, today's walk-in updates from different companies for different roles. So we have 7+ companies direct hiring for freshers and experience in both guys. So here you can see Cognizant, Firstsource, Movate, Wipro, Advantum, Indusind Bank. These companies are looking to hire for both the freshers and experience. So if you want to know more details regarding these opportunities, let's get into the video. So guys, here you can see Movate Technologies company conducting walk-in interview for freshers for the role GIS mapping. Here you can see they have 10 vacancies. It's a freshers hiring and Hyderabad is the location. You must have key skills GIS, geographical information system mapping. Other key skills communication skills, and time and venue for walk-in is 21st December 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Guys, still you have time for walk-in. If you are near to this location, Anakramgoda Financial District, Hyderabad, Telangana, you can walk in directly to this opportunity guys. Education, they mention only graduates non engineering passed out year from 22 to 2024. Roles and responsibilities, everything they mention here. Competencies and skills: fluent written and spoken English, knowledge of Microsoft Office suite, GIS packages preferable, QGIS. Interested candidates can please walk in on December 21st to below venue between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Venue details they mention here guys. If you are interested toward these opportunities, don't miss it. And another walk-in update from Indusind Bank. They are conducting walk-in interview at a Bangalore location on 21st December. They mentioned 0 to 5 years of people can attend for this opportunity. Bangalore, Whitefield, Artinagar, Nandi, Durga Road. This is the location I mentioned here, and you must have key skills. Sales, business development management, credit cards. Time and venue for walk-in here you can see 21st December 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So fresher, business development executive for experience, business development manager. These are the two roles they mentioned for freshers and experience, and walk-in interview location and everything they mentioned here guys. So here you can see they mentioned 3 walk-in interview locations. First is Indusind Bank, Whitefield Main Road, Whitefield, and another one is Indusind Bank, ground floor, Nandi Durga Road, Jayamahal, Bangalore location, and another one is Indusind Bank, ground floor, door number 160, RT Nagar Main Road, MLA Layout, Bangalore. So these are the three locations they mentioned here. Age criteria up to 29 years are eligible for this opportunity. So if you are interested, you can walk in directly to this opportunity guys. Wipro connecting walk interview for freshers for fraud analyst role on 24th December. They have 20 vacancies and Hyderabad is the location. You must have key skills, BPO, communication skills, non-voice process, non-voice, and a BPO non-voice. So time for walk-in 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Walk interview for freshers with excellent communication skills. Required skills should be excellent in English communication, basic knowledge about frauds and fraud analysis, fraud analysis. Specifications like should be flexible to work from office and should be flexible to work in rotational shifts. Qualification: any graduation should have all the documents, provisional certificate, and consolidated marks memo. Post graduation, these are the eligibility criteria they mentioned here, and passed out year from 22 to 20 to 2024. So updated resume, you have to carry below documents for the interview: updated resume, passport size photograph, Aadhaar card, provisional certificate of graduation. So these are the details that I mentioned here guys. If you are interested, you can walk into this location, Financial District, Gachibowli, Nanakaramgoda, Hyderabad, Wipro campus. So if you are interested, don't miss it. Advantum Health Company, they mentioned that they are conducting freshers walk-in drive on 21st December. It's a healthcare company guys. They have 50 vacancies. Location is High-Tech City, which is in Hyderabad, and you must have key skills RCM. That is revenue cycle management, healthcare BPO, provider enrollment, US healthcare, medical billing, nursing, healthcare. These are the skills they mentioned here. Time for walk-in 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And qualification: any graduate currently pursuing or not eligible. Location they mentioned here guys: US healthcare, RCM process, prior authorization, semi-voice process at Advantum Health Private Limited, High-Tech City, Hyderabad. So shift timing 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. So these are the details they mentioned here. Before walking, carefully read whatever they mentioned here, every requirement, and walk in for this opportunity guys. Firstsource connecting walk interview for apprentice associate role. So location is Nanakaramgoda, Hyderabad. You must have key skills: customer support, customer service, customer care. Time for walk-in 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So location, BSR Tech Park, Nanakramguda, Hyderabad. Shifts rotational, 5 hour job. Education, any graduate. Experience 0 to 1 year. Experience can attend for this opportunity. So note, kindly mention HR name as Ilyas on the top of your resume or CV. So if you are, these are the details that I mentioned here, guys. If you are interested, you can work. Cognizant, connecting walk-in drive for freshers for the role process executive voice BPO. So it's a freshers hiring. They have 30 vacancies. Hyderabad is a location. And you must have key skills, voice process, BPO voice. Time for walk-in 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Contact person name Vamsi Krishna. So communication, excellent English communication skills and interpersonal skills, reading and comprehension, work timings, US shift timings, qualification, any graduate, things to carry, updated resume, passport size photograph, original government ID proof. These are the details I mentioned here, guys. If you are near to this location like Raheja Mindspace, building, High-Tech City, Madhapur, Hyderabad, you can walk in. We have another great opportunity from Rajyug Solutions Private Limited. They mentioned these are the roles, 5 roles. They are hiring for full stack developer, main AI or ML engineer, Android developers, data scientist, data analytics, Python developer. Batch they mentioned 2022 or 23 or 24 or 25 batches. CTC they are offering 6 to 12 lakhs per annum. Location Noida. This is a full-time opportunity. Apply link, like and comment your correct mail ID. They will directly send referral link with the job description to your mail ID within 2 hours. Here you can see many of the candidates are reacting. You can see here many of the people dropping their mails here in comment sections. So if you are interested, you also reach out here. His name called Rutuja Shinde. I will mention link in the description. Don't worry. This is one of the great update from Rajyug Solutions company. Don't miss it.